Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ruqayya Tariq and I'm going to teach you biology chapter 10 gaseous exchange. This is my lecture 3. In previous lecture, as we have already discussed the air passageway, there are different parts of air passageway and I've already discussed two parts with all of you. The first one was nasal cavity and the second one was pharynx. Now I'm going to discuss further parts of air passageway. Third part is larynx. Larynx is made up of cartilage and this is present between pharynx and trachea. We usually call larynx as voice box because there are two pairs of fibrous bands called vocal cords are present. When air passes through vocal cords vibrates and this vibration produces sound. So that is why we call larynx as voice box. Next part of air passageway is trachea. Trachea is a continuation of larynx and we also call trachea as windpipe. Trachea is 12 cm long tube present in front of esophagus and C-shaped cartilaginous ring is present in surrounding trachea. These cartilages keep trachea from collapsing, so we can call it as protective shield of trachea. Next part is bronchi. Trachea is divided into several branches that we call bronchi. Bronchi have cartilaginous plates. Each bronchus enter into lungs and further divided into small branches called bronchioles. At the end of bronchioles, there are tiny pouches or fine tubes are present, and we call these fine tubes as alveolar ducts. Further alveolar ducts open into pouches called alveoli. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated from heart and enter the lungs and capillaries. Capillaries are very thin very thin and surrounding alveoli. So we can say alveoli are usually surrounded by a bunch of capillaries and these join together to form venules which form pulmonary vein, and this pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood back to the heart. As you know that pulmonary veins usually carry deoxygenated blood. All the veins usually carry deoxygenated blood except one, and that is pulmonary vein. Only pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood and carry them back to the heart. Next, second part of human gaseous exchange in human is lungs. After air passageway, all the alveoli on one side constitute lung, and the pair of lung is present in thoracic cavity. Chest wall is made up of ribs and the rib muscles called intercostal muscles. Below the lungs there is a thick muscular sheet or structure that is we call diaphragm. Left lung is usually smaller and has two lobes, while right lung is slightly bigger than left lung and it has three lobes. Lungs are spongy and elastic. You can see this figure 10.4. There are two membranes present in surrounding of lungs, inner pleural membrane and outer pleural membrane, and in between both membrane there is a fluid present that helps in protection of lungs. Now your assignment is to solve short question number 2 and 3 on notebook. It is given in review exercise, so you can easily solve this question on notebook. Thank you. Inshallah we will discuss next topic in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.